a single oil field that produces 5% of the world's entire oil. Ghawar. Today, we'll see how it actually works.
Deep beneath the Saudi desert, one of the most powerful engineering operations on Earth is underway.
This is where raw Ghawar crude becomes the premium petroleum that powers the planet.
Every day, millions of barrels leave these shores to fuel the entire world.
This is the $200 billion secret of Ghawar, the largest oil field on Earth. Beneath this silent desert lies the largest oil reservoir ever discovered on planet Earth. 2,000 meters below, crude oil has been trapped here for over 150 million years.
This is Ghawar crude, the most valuable natural resource flowing from a single source. The Ras Tanura Refinery, the world's largest, processes over 500,000 barrels daily.
From one barrel of crude science creates the fuels that power civilization across the globe.
Every day, supertankers carry millions of barrels from these terminals to ports across the world. The East-West pipeline stretches over 1,200 kilometers, an underground river of oil.
Each storage tank holds millions of liters of refined fuel ready for global distribution. It all begins here, a single drilling rig standing alone in the world's most valuable desert.
The refinery never sleeps, 24 hours a day, and crude is transformed into the fuels you use.
But how does raw crude become this? Let's go back to where it all starts, the Ghawar field.
Welcome to the Ghawar oil field, the single largest conventional oil reservoir ever discovered by mankind.
Aramco's seismic survey fleet deploys across the desert, searching for oil deposits deep underground.
Powerful vibrations travel 2,000 meters underground, bouncing off hidden rock layers.
Thousands of geophones capture the reflected signals, recording the underground structure in precise detail. Supercomputers process billions of seismic data points, creating three-dimensional maps of the reservoir.
Engineers identify the exact depth and location of the Arab-D limestone formation and the oil-bearing layer.
Modular rig components travel by heavy haul convoy to the designated well pad in the desert. The derrick rises 40 meters into the sky, and the drilling rig is now ready to bore into the earth. The complete rig stands ready, a 40-meter tower of steel, about to punch through 2,000 meters of rock.
The rotary table engages, spinning the drill string at controlled speed to begin cutting into the earth. Polycrystalline diamond compact bits, each one engineered to cut through thousands of meters of rock.
Mud pumps force drilling fluid down the pipe at extreme pressure, cooling the bit and clearing debris. Drilling mud returns carrying rock cuttings from deep below. Geologists analyze every fragment. Drilling continues around the clock, and the bit descends through sand, shale, and rock toward the target. Steel casing pipes from 36 inches wide at surface down to 7 inches at depth line in the entire wellbore. Cement is pumped down through the casing and up the outside, creating a permanent seal against the rock. Shaped explosive charges are loaded into a perforating gun, precision-built to punch through steel and rock. The perforating gun descends on wireline to the Arab-D formation, 2,000 meters below the surface.
This is the Christmas tree, the control hub that manages everything flowing out of the well under enormous pressure.
The Christmas tree assembly controls flow rate and monitors pressure and provides emergency shutoff.
The world's largest seawater treatment plant, filters millions of gallons daily for injection into the reservoir. Treated seawater is injected at the reservoir edges, pushing crude oil toward production wells at the center. Under immense reservoir pressure, crude oil rises 2,000 meters and flows into the pipeline network.
Raw Ghawar crude light sweet, 33 degrees API gravity, among the most valuable on Earth.
The crude mixture arrives at the gas oil separation plant, and the first step in processing raw petroleum.
Inside, the first stage separator pressure is reduced and dissolved gas flashes off the crude oil.
Separated gas is captured and routed to processing plants, and nothing is wasted in this operation. Formation water is separated and treated before being re-injected underground, protecting the environment.
Stabilization towers heat the crude, driving off light vapors to make the oil safe for storage and transport.
Booster pump stations every 50 kilometers keep crude flowing at pressure across the vast pipeline network. Over 1,200 kilometers of pipeline connect the Ghawar field to refineries on both coasts.
Crude oil travels at speed through the pipeline, arriving at the refinery within hours of extraction.
The crude arrives at the mega refinery. Its final transformation from raw material to fuel is about to begin. Crude oil is stored in massive tanks before entering the distillation process, and each one holds millions of liters.
Inside the nerve center of the refinery, every temperature, pressure, and flow rate is monitored in real time.
Crude oil is superheated to 370 degrees Celsius before entering the distillation column. Inside this 60-meter tower, crude oil separates into fractions, lightest at top, heaviest at bottom. Each level of the tower collects a different product: naphtha, kerosene, diesel, and heavy fuel oil.
The catalytic cracker breaks heavy molecules into lighter, more valuable products at 500 degrees.
Hydrogen gas strips sulfur and nitrogen from the fuel at extreme pressure, producing ultra-clean products.
Removed sulfur is recovered and sold as a valuable industrial byproduct, and nothing goes to waste. Product streams are precisely blended to meet exact international fuel specifications: octane, cetane, flashpoint. Every batch undergoes chromatography and spectrometry, and only products meeting Aramco standards ship to market. Only after passing every test does a batch receive final approval, and this fuel now meets global export standards. The product tank farm holds refined fuel in floating roof tanks, ready for loading onto ships.
The loading sequence begins refined petroleum flows from the tank farm to the marine terminal loading arms.
At the Ras Tanura Marine Terminal, supertankers take on millions of barrels bound for global markets.
Each loading arm transfers thousands of barrels per hour, precision engineered to prevent a single drop of spillage. Fully loaded with millions of barrels, and the supertanker begins its journey to markets across the globe. Hundreds of wells across Ghawar are monitored in real-time. Production data flows 24 hours a day. Every wellhead is inspected regularly. Preventive maintenance ensures decades of continuous production. Smart inspection tools travel inside the pipeline, scanning for corrosion and defects along every meter. Emergency shutdown valves are tested regularly. In seconds, they can isolate any section of the pipeline.
The operation never stops. As one shift ends, the next begins, keeping Ghawar producing around the clock.
Premium gasoline, the fuel that powers hundreds of millions of vehicles across the globe every single day.
Ultra-low sulfur diesel, the lifeblood of global freight, shipping, and heavy industry. Jet fuel, refined to absolute purity. And this is the fuel that carries aircraft across continents and oceans. From this single field, petroleum reaches over 40 countries,
powering economies across every continent.
From the desert to the sea, every barrel of Ghawar oil is a testament to engineering precision and scale.
The Ghawar oil field, 280 kilometers long, the single largest source of petroleum on planet Earth. For over 70 years, these rigs have pumped oil that built a nation and powered a world.
3 products from one source, extracted, processed, and refined to perfection beneath the Arabian desert. 1 drop from the world's largest oil field, a drop that changed the course of human history.
Beneath the silence, an empire of oil that will power the world for generations to come.
This production by Next Voyage Labs is created for educational and illustrative purposes using advanced AI technologies. Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to video generation, human creativity leads every step. Next Voyage Labs channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.